Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Doordash payment error. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Doordash application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is I'm going to show you how or where you can find the Doordash application. Now you can either find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, or you can even use the web application using any browser of your choice. So once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in DoorDash. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, how to fix DoorDash payment error. Let's say you try to place an order and you head over to the checkouts window and you're having this payment error thing because the payments method you're using is not just working. Here's exactly how you can fix that error. So, no thanks, I'm not ordering. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find three icons. You're going to find your account icon, the notification bell, and of course you're going to find the cart icon. Go ahead and click on your account icon, which is the first icon before the notification bell, and that's going to take you to this accounts window where you're going to have a lot of options that you can definitely explore. So right here from this options, go ahead and click on payment methods. So this is going to take you to the payments window. Now right here you're going to find save payment methods, and the next category you're going to find is add payments method. Now under your save payments method, you're definitely going to find the payments method that you tried using. So I'd like you to do something which is simple. Delete that payments method because you're going to have to relink it. How do you delete? Go ahead and swipe left. So click on the payments method you already saved, swipe left till you find the delete icon. And once you find that, go ahead and click on delete icon to delete. The next step is to head over to add payments method and use any of the payments methods again that you previously chose, and then relink the payments method. So once you have relinked your payments method, it should start working, right? But if it still doesn't fix the issue, then you're gonna have to check the social media platforms that DoorDash has. Now head over to Twitter or X, Twitter X, to check if DoorDash servers are down. If the servers are down, then that means it's definitely not from your application or from your phone, it's from DoorDash. You're gonna have to wait a couple minutes or a couple days for DoorDash to fix your servers. Once the servers are up, then you can definitely use the payments method. You're not gonna find that error again. But if DoorDash servers are up, then you're gonna have to try this option, which is to log out and log in. How do you log out? Scroll all the way up, take it backward, go backward, and right here in this window, go ahead and click on profile. And once you click on profile, you're gonna see this option. You're gonna see log out button right there. So click on log out, and then log in again. Now once you log in again, it should definitely fix that error. But if it doesn't fix that error, I'm sure you're gonna have to make this hard choice, which is this: delete. You're gonna have to delete your DoorDash account, uninstall. All right, and once you uninstall, head over to Google Play Store, Apple Store, wherever you downloaded it from, and reinstall. So once you reinstall DoorDash, go ahead and try paying. It should start working. Now, once you go through any of those processes, it should start working. Now, go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.